So how to use permission sleep by CR app. So yeah, this is the app to take back control of your data. It's pretty cool. It helps you to control the data companies have about you. It's no secret that companies are collecting, buying, and selling data about us. Swipe through companies and start taking action. We'll show you which data companies collect so you can set boundaries and regain control over your personal information. Tell companies to stop selling your data so you can just file requests inside of this app. For the companies, you don't need to manually go through each app. Delete your data with a tap. That's, I think, one of the most handy features here. If you want to delete an account in some app, you just go through here and through this app and you just file a request and then you just delete it. And then there are some auto requests. So basically for me right now, the cool feature of this app, I'm doing a lot of app overviews on YouTube and I'm just creating a lot of accounts in like hundreds of apps. And then if maybe you're not downloading hundreds of apps, but you still have few apps here and there, and like how to delete accounts in all of these apps later. If you just, you provided this app some of your data, but then you're like, hey, I don't need all of this. So yeah, then you can just open it up and here you just create an account. I would recommend you to create an account with the email you used to create accounts in all of those apps. And then, yeah, you just see all of these cards. And then, yeah, you can just swipe. Like you can see, okay, I created an account in this Trader Joe app. I don't even remember when was it, or I created in like all trials I'm still using, but like in McDonald's app or Instacart, Udemy courses, MailChimp, so MC Theaters. I don't use this app, but like you can tap to learn more, and then you can see that this company collects actually a lot of data. As you can see, identifiers, purchases, online tracking, location, communication, social life preferences, movie preferences. And then you can see, okay, I have an account with this company, and then you can just tap delete my account, for example. This is one of the request types. There are some other request types, but and then you can just tap send request, and basically, this app will help you to delete an account, MC Theaters. So that's basically the idea, how it can work out. You don't need like to, for example, in this case, re-download MC Theaters app. Remember, you log in, try to find how to delete an account there. Nope, you're just doing it through this app. Yeah, so that's kind of cool. And the coolest thing, like this app is free for now, so you can get all these features for free, and then you can see all your requests. Then you can see auto requests. And with your permission, this app can also send requests, auto requests. And so yeah, it's not only that you delete an account in those apps, it's just some of those apps are try to resell the data to some data brokers, and then your data can be used in all these additional advertisement purposes, which is quite super bad actually. So then you can use this app. You can use this for free. You can see a data dashboard. It's pretty cool. Your account, your authorizations. You can need to sign up there. Then if you think this app missed some companies, you can suggest them. And that's that. Also, at some point, if you're annoyed by this app as well, you can just go here and delete an account from here. So that's that. Give a try to this app. Have fun. I'm not sure if it's available on Android yet. Seems it's only on iOS, but there you have it.